Keep it steady. Pulling it up now. Easy, easy, just a little more. Stop. Chain secured.
Keep it steady. Watch the right side.
Okay, lowering. Almost there.
Perfect. Hold it.
Contact.
Secure the front mount first. Torque spec is good on the seat. Windows are flawless. Looks like we're ready for the final check.